Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support us in our efforts to bring you good content. In this video, we're continuing our series on Toyota RAV4 Maintenance. We'll cover more advanced tasks that will ensure your vehicle's longevity and performance. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out. Now, let's jump right in. Suspension and steering checks. The suspension and steering systems in your RAV4 are essential for a comfortable and safe driving experience. These systems ensure your vehicle handles well and absorbs shocks from the road. Importance of regular checks. Regular checks can identify worn or damaged components before they lead to more serious issues. Suspension problems can affect the vehicle's stability and steering, making it harder to control. What to inspect? Mechanics will check components like shock absorbers, struts, and steering linkage. They will also look for any signs of wear or damage that could compromise your vehicle's handling. Regular suspension and steering checks will keep your RAV4 driving smoothly and safely, ensuring you enjoy your ride without any bumps along the way. Staying on top of these advanced maintenance tasks will help your Toyota RAV4 perform at its best for years to come. While some of these tasks may require professional service, they're worth the investment for the peace of mind and long-term performance of your vehicle. Seasonal maintenance tips. Ensuring your Toyota RAV4 runs smoothly throughout the year means adapting your maintenance tasks to the changing seasons. Each season brings unique challenges and demands for your vehicle. Here are some essential tips to keep your RAV4 in top shape, no matter the weather. Winter maintenance. Winter can be tough on your vehicle, but with a few key maintenance tasks, you can prepare your RAV4 for the cold months ahead. Check your battery. Cold weather can reduce your battery's power. Make sure it's fully charged and test its voltage before the winter hits. Clean any corrosion around the terminals and ensure all connections are tight. Inspect your tires. Winter roads can be slippery. Ensure your tires have enough tread and are properly inflated. Consider switching to winter tires for better grip on snow and ice. Replace wiper blades. Visibility is crucial during winter. Replace old or worn wiper blades and fill your washer fluid with a solution designed for freezing temperatures. Check your antifreeze. Your engine relies on antifreeze to prevent freezing. Check the levels and ensure the mixture is balanced correctly. Top it up if needed. Examine your brakes. Winter conditions demand optimal braking performance. Inspect your brakes for wear and have them serviced if necessary. Ensure the brake fluid is at the right level. Keep an emergency kit. Always have a winter emergency kit in your RAV4. Include items like a blanket, ice scraper, flashlight, and some non-perishable snacks. This kit can be a lifesaver if you get stranded. By taking these steps, you'll keep your Toyota RAV4 ready to handle winter's challenges, ensuring safety and reliability on the road. Summer maintenance. Hot weather can put different stresses on your vehicle. Here are some tips to keep your RAV4 running smoothly through the summer heat. Monitor your cooling system. The engine can overheat more easily in hot weather. Check the coolant levels and inspect the radiator and hoses for leaks or damage. A coolant flush may be necessary if it hasn't been done in a while. Check your air conditioning. A functional air conditioning system is a must in summer. Test the AC to ensure it's blowing cold air. If not, it might need a recharge or a more detailed inspection. Inspect your tires. Heat can cause tire pressure to rise. Check the tire pressure regularly and adjust as needed. Also, inspect for any signs of wear or damage, as hot pavement can be tough on tires. Examine the battery. High temperatures can shorten battery life. Make sure it's securely mounted, clean the terminals, and check its charge regularly. Change your oil. Summer heat can thin out your oil, reducing its effectiveness. Consider an oil change, especially if it's been a while. Use the grade of oil recommended for summer driving conditions. Check brakes and fluid levels. Hot weather can affect your brakes and various fluid levels. Inspect your brakes and make sure all fluids, including brake, power steering, and transmission fluids, are at the correct levels. Following these summer maintenance tips will help ensure your Toyota RAV4 remains reliable and efficient, allowing you to enjoy those sunny road trips without a hitch. D versus professional maintenance. Keeping your Toyota RAV4 in top shape requires regular maintenance. But should you handle these tasks yourself or leave them to a professional? Let's break down what you can do at home and when it's best to seek expert help. Maintenance tasks. There are plenty of maintenance tasks for your RAV4 that you can easily handle yourself. These tasks don't require specialized tools or deep mechanical knowledge. Here's a list to get you started. Oil changes. Changing the oil is critical for engine health. With the right supplies and a bit of know-how, you can do this yourself. Tire rotation. Regular tire rotation ensures even wear and extends their lifespan. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Air filter replacement. A clean air filter improves engine performance. This is a quick job that you can do in under 15 minutes. Battery check. Inspect your battery terminals for corrosion and ensure the connections are tight. You can also test the battery's charge with a simple multimeter. Wiper blade replacement. Swapping out old wiper blades is easy. It ensures you have clear visibility during poor weather conditions. Fluid checks. Regularly check levels of essential fluids like coolant, brake, and windshield washer fluid. Topping them off is simple and keeps your car running smoothly. Light bulb replacement. Changing headlight or taillight bulbs can be done with basic tools. It's a straightforward process that ensures your vehicle remains safe and visible on the road. Tackling these tasks on your own saves money and gives you a better understanding of your RAV4's condition. When to seek professional help. While some maintenance tasks are perfect for DIY enthusiasts, others are best left to the professionals. These tasks may require specialized tools, deep mechanical knowledge, or can affect your vehicle's safety if not done correctly. Here's when you should call in the experts. Transmission service. Servicing the transmission involves draining and replacing fluid, which can be complex and messy. Incorrect servicing can lead to serious transmission issues. Brake system repair. While you can check brake pads yourself, replacing them or working on the brake system should be done by a professional. Brakes are critical for safety and need expert attention. Timing belt replacement. The timing belt is vital for engine operation. If it fails, it can cause extensive engine damage. This replacement requires precision and expertise. Suspension and steering repairs. Issues with your suspension or steering can impact handling and safety. Leave these repairs to mechanics who have the right tools and experience. Electrical system repairs. Modern vehicles like the RAV4 have complex electrical systems. Fixing electrical issues often requires diagnostic equipment and advanced knowledge. Engine diagnostics. If your check engine light is on, a professional can use diagnostic tools to determine the exact issue. Attempting to fix complex engine problems without the right tools can cause more harm than good. AC repair. Fixing the air conditioning system can be complicated. It often involves dealing with refrigerant and specialized equipment. Trusting these tasks to professionals ensures they are done correctly and safely, preventing costly mistakes and maintaining the performance of your Toyota RAV4. Choosing between DIY and professional maintenance depends on the complexity of the task and your comfort level. By handling simple tasks yourself, you save money and keep your RAV4 in good shape. For more complex issues, professional mechanics ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable. Conclusion. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Toyota RAV4 running smoothly. Stick to the basic tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Also, remember to handle seasonal maintenance to keep your car in top shape year-round. For more involved tasks like transmission service or timing belt replacement, seek professional help. These specialists have the tools and expertise needed to get the job done right. Prioritizing regular maintenance will ensure your RAV4 remains reliable, safe, and retains its value. Stay proactive and enjoy a smooth, trouble-free driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.